Hi, I am Girish Kumar Budka from MECh Engineers. Our company is a manufacturer of heavy industrial and process plant equipment, and company is established since 1986, located at Valsad, Gujarat, and we make the equipments tailored to the requirement of the customers, and it is starting from the design, material selection, manufacturing and supply of the equipment. Our workshop is certified with ASME U stamp, U2 stamp, and IVR, CCOE. The company is established by Mr. K.V. Budka, mechanical engineer, and we have like 16,000 meter square of plant area with all in-house latest technical facility like CNC profile cutting, CNC machining, mechanized welding machine for different kind of materials like stainless steel material, carbon steel material, hashed alloys, titanium grade material. We manufacture equipment like reactors, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, distillation columns, and different requirement of the mixers like integrated equipment. We also provide feed mix of different equipment. Today I am presenting at IEPC 2014 version in Hyderabad, HITEX. So it's my pleasure to be here, one of the participants. The organization and the facility given by the organizer is good here, and you can see everywhere people are enthusiastic because this is the fourth version. I think this is the second day of the exhibition today. Basically, here I am showcasing some of our new development like in flow chemistry, in the chemical process cracking, and this we are discussing here. Also, I am having like our company profile video with just like said me that there is some poster of the manufacturing equipment, and yes, we welcome you at our stall in hall number 4, stall number 6F06. Yeah, thank you for your time.